When will the cost of renting a home come down? So here's the top 3 reasons based on the current housing market why rents are higher and seem to be going up and up. So number 1, short supply of available homes for rent. There's not a lot of single family houses available for rent. And a lot of people are signing longer term leases instead of 6 months or a year. They're signing a year to 2 years or longer because they don't want to get uprooted and have to move. And a lot of landlords, if you're there a year and it's time for a renewal, they're going to raise your rent a bunch unless you sign a longer term like a 14 or a 16 or an 18-month lease. So that's item number 1. We're short on supply. Number 2, we have a high demand from Millennials and the Gen Z generation. And the reason, we have about 1 million to 1.5 million people each year that are entering the market. They're forming new households. And so they're entering the market, and a lot of them can't qualify to buy their first home because they haven't saved enough money yet. So their only option is renting. So we have 1 million to 1.5 million new people coming into the market that are absorbing some of the available houses for rent. Number 3, this is a big one. Cost of inflation. Now, think if you were a landlord and you owned a property, chances are if you bought it as an investment, it's on a variable rate loan. Well, what happened a couple years ago? The interest rates went up. Well, when the interest rates went up, your monthly payment on your rental house went up. It was costing you more money each month to pay your mortgage. Now, add on top of that the cost for homeowners insurance, the cost for real estate taxes, and also the cost for maintenance, supply, buying materials for your rental have gone up as well. So there's a point where a landlord can absorb a certain amount of price increase, and then there becomes a point where they begin to lose money or it's not profitable anymore, and they have to raise their rent to cover their costs. So that's a big one because we've had the interest rates adjust upward, and we had real estate taxes and homeowners insurance rise. So a lot of people think, well, I'm a renter, I'm not paying those costs. Sure you are. It's rolled into the cost of rent. You may not be paying it directly to the insurance company, but it's billed in your monthly rent for sure. A lot of people don't think about that. Now, when will the rents come down? That's the big question. And I think the only way we're going to see rents come down is when we have an oversupply of rental homes. When we have more rental homes available than we have tenants wanting to rent, there'll be a lot of landlords that will need to get those units rented, and they will drop the price. So, hope this helps.